Guys, welcome back to GNSK World. Today we're gonna see is Sweet Jaggery Idli. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Things we need is 1 cup of idli batter, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of finely chopped coconuts, and cardamom powder. Now that we saw the ingredients that is required for Jaggery Idli, as you can see, it is really simple ingredients that is found in your house. It is really simple to make while you have a guest, or you could have it yourself as a sweet treat. It is a really great dish to give to your kids. So without any further delay, let's look at the steps. The first step is to wash the chana dal and soak that for 3 hours. Now that chana dal is nicely soaked, we have finely chopped coconut and we melted 1 cup of jaggery with water beforehand and a pinch of cardamom. We will take the idli batter and add all the ingredients in it and mix it nice and well. If you're wondering how to make the idli batter, there's a link down below, so do not forget to check that out. Or you could click right here. While making the jaggery paste, do not add too much water because it will change the consistency of the batter. After mixing it nice and evenly, this is how the consistency should be. This is also my grandma's traditional recipe, which was passed on to my mom and then to me. My grandma used to make this on a rainy day, which was really nice to eat during a cold weather. I have uploaded many of my grandma's unique traditional recipes, which is quick and easy to make. I have created a playlist just for this. Do not forget to check that out. You could pour that batter in a regular idli mold, but to make it traditional and how my grandma used to make, I'm going to pour this in a steel glass. Coat the glass with some ghee around the surface and then pour the batter. This will stop the idli from sticking on the sides. To steam this idli, take a deep vessel. The reason why I chose a pan rather than an idli vessel is because while shaking, it has higher chance of batter falling down. We're going to close the pan and let the batter steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Now that you could see the jaggery idli is ready, since we added ghee, it should easily release itself out of the mold. If it does not, you could just use a knife to scrape the sides off to make it release out of the mold. As you guys can see, after the idli is cooled down, the texture should be soft and fluffy. As you can see, I cut the idli into slices and let's try this out now. It turned out really great. It was so soft and so fluffy and it melted right in your mouth. From onwards, in cooking channel, I won't only talk about cooking. I will talk about fashion too. I will talk about the collections of dresses and earrings I have and the combination that I wore for that specific video. The reason why I chose this earring for this dress is because of the combination of black, white, and red. So if you look, it's so unique design and it's jimmicky style. Today in this video, I wore churidar, so this earring goes great with the traditional dress as well. The earring was really comfortable to wear and it was lightweighted. This could be wear for a long time since it's lightweighted. It only costs 115 rupees to 200 rupees. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends. Bye-bye. Like these type of video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like this video, share this video, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.